Klondike, you're all covered in snow. Okay. Doing okay? This is our second blizzard visit video this morning. It's going to get pretty bad this afternoon. I think the snow will be too deep for you guys to be walking around in it later. So we go out and play in it right now. Okay, Evi? Coming down like crazy. Gretel, okay? A little deep for you, Evi, isn't it? Huh? It's a little deep for you. You like eating the snow? You like eating the snow? Klondike, you okay? Are you okay, Klondike? There's Gretel. There's Gretel. There's Gretel. You okay? So sweet. So sweet, Gretel. Everybody all played out? And then we're running around, Evi? Just hanging out, getting soaking wet. Klondike, you just love the snow. I named you the right name, didn't I? I really did. My niece Kristen helped me pick that name. That's right. Like ice cream all over your nose, Klondike. Ice cream all over your nose. What you doing, Evi? What you doing, Evi? A little deep for you, Evi. You digging some or something, Evi? Huh? There we go, Evi. That's what I want to see. You gonna come in, Gretel? Come on, let's go get a snack. Can we get a snack, Gretel? Okay.